Hi everyone, this is Larvia from Gondor Group. Today I'm in our factory, so let me introduce our horizontal mixer for you. And this one is our 500 liter. The capacity is 500 liter, and we can customize 100 liter and above. Come closer. You can see the inside is the anger blade. The thickness of the anger blade is, the standard is 1 millimeter, and we can customize according to your needs. And as you can see, the machine is very thick, so the structure is very steady. And this is the outlet handle. You can outlet. And this is our electric carbonate. So the material of the body and the carbonate can be customized according to your needs. And the motor also can be customized according to your needs. And we can also customize the function, like the cooling function or the heat preservation function. We also can customize. Okay, thank you.